Many people say it's impossible to make genuine friendships online. Well, I'm here to tell you that's just simply not the case. Hello friends, happy Friday. Thank you for joining me. The other day, my friend Jen, who lives in Washington State, she sent me a decor idea from an influencer, I guess, on Instagram. I don't have Instagram, so, I don't get to see all the fun stuff on that platform. I just don't have time. So anyway, she sent me an idea from one of the influencers over there, and I thought it was a fabulous idea. Anyway, the whole reason I brought up the friendships online is because Jen actually started following me back in the blog days, and we were living in Virginia. We were moving to Washington State, and it just so happened she lived there, and she was just a wealth of information, kind of telling us where the great places are to live and all the things to do there. And we started up a friendship. And then once we moved there, we got together. Our kids were around the same age, so they played together. And ultimately, we ended up moving from one house to another house to a new neighborhood, and they ended up moving to the same neighborhood. So, our kids played together, we got to see each other, and it was wonderful. And to this day, even though she's in Washington State and I'm here in West Virginia, we still keep in touch and we catch up every once in a while, like how's the fam, how's the kids? And so anyway, the reason I brought that up is because she sent me that idea, and it just reminded me that you can make genuine friendships online, and it's wonderful. I truly feel like you guys are a part of my family. I just love all of you. I truly, truly do. Even though we've never met, you guys stop by and you share parts of your life with me, and we're like-minded people. A lot of us are maximalists. Some of my subscribers aren't, but they just love to stop by and support. And I love you guys. And I consider you all my friends. Okay, anyway, let's get into today's video because I know that's what you're here for. So Jen, I'm dedicating this video to you because you gave me this wonderful idea. Now, unfortunately, the items the Instagram person used, I don't have. I actually ran to Michael's to try to get some of those things, and they didn't have them. And I didn't want to run clear across town. So I'm using what I have, and I'm kind of doing my spin on it. And I think you guys are gonna love it. I've been playing with it, and I'm loving it so far. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to create a gorgeous centerpiece for any table. And then I'm gonna share with you some shelves that I purchased on Amazon and how I have styled them for fall. They're so cute, so cute. You're gonna love it. So without further ado, let's get into the items you'll need. A big glass vase. I got this at Ross. Super, super, super inexpensive. I think it was under $12, and look at the size. And then I have another cylinder glass vase. We're doing a vase within a vase. I think I got this at Safeway grocery store in their floral section years ago. But I love it. It's super cute, but it's gonna go into that big vase. You'll need some battery powered fairy lights. I'll link them below. This arrangement I'm gonna make is going to tie in to the look on my mantle. So I want it to be very cohesive so that when you look across the room at the mantle and then you look at the dining room table, they're a straight diagonal shot from one another, that the colors, the vibe, it all goes together. This garland is what I used on the mantle. It's from Amazon. Love, love, love it. Huge fan, huge fan. I love the leaves. This is going to be wrapped around the cylinder vase. You'll see. I'm going to go in with these beautiful green picks that I got on Amazon. Huge fan of these, huge. I'm not sure how many I will use. Probably 4 or 5 of these picks. I want it to be big and full and beautiful. Layering is the name of the game. I'm gonna go in with 3 of these picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. Gorgeous. I don't know the name, you guys. I'm so sorry. I know some of you mentioned what you think these are. If you don't mind, drop it in the comments below in case anyone else is interested in purchasing these. They'll know the name when they go to Hobby Lobby. These are super pretty. Like I said before, I love the wispiness. I just love it. Need I say more? And then I'm gonna go in with these beautiful, beautiful floral stems. I also got these on Amazon. They were a wonderful find, and the price wasn't that bad for what you get. These look so realistic. I think these are by A Floral, but when you get these, you just kind of want to spread them out, and mixed with what I just showed you, I think these are going to be gorge, absolutely gorge. And I believe these are called a seed pick, but look how pretty they are. They're very realistic looking. I don't know that I'm going to use these, but if I do, that's where I got them, Walmart. Don't know that I'm going to use this, but last but not least, I may throw in some velvet ribbon around the base of the vase just to dress it up. We will revisit this once I'm done creating this arrangement, and we'll see if it's needed or if we like it. I don't know, we'll see. It may be gorgeous just without it. If you want to embellish this look and dress it up and make it and give it more of an elegant feel, we may add this. What I'm gonna do right now is undo my fairy lights. We are going to wrap them. Wrap, wrap, wrap is the name of the game. With these fairy lights, you get lots of options. Twinkle, fade in, fade out, strobe light looking, and stationary, I believe. So what I want is it to be on stationary. I just think it looks classier if you do it like that. Here we go. Left the battery pack at the bottom because I have a remote, so I'm not going to have to like pull it in, pull it out, that kind of thing. So now I'm going to wrap my fall leaves around this. There's just such a glare, but you get the gist. Now we have our ambiance, we have our splash of fall colors that are tying in with the mantle. Now we're gonna go in with a pop of green. I think I'm going to go in with just a few of these at the base, mixing a lighter color with a darker color. Do you see how this pops? So anyway, I'm going to add probably maybe 3 more of these, just kind of right around this section, and then we'll go in with the taller pieces. Now I'm going in with these, just 3. for the piece of resistance, we're gonna go in with some of these. Now talk about a conversation piece. I think that's one. Imagine this sitting on top of a buffet, a sideboard, as a centerpiece on an island or your table in the evening hours with the glow of autumn right before your eyes. Anyway, if you're looking to go big and bold and have some fun, and add some ambiance and lights, try this. You might enjoy it. So now I'm going to show you a cute way to style this. Here's a serving board. Love the handles. We're going to place it on the table. We're going to throw in a little texture. I mean, really, at this point, why not? More is better, right? So isn't that cute? I just love it, you guys. It says fall. Fall is here, fall has arrived, fall is here to enjoy. I totally forgot, did we want to embellish with the velvet ribbon? I'm trying it. I could have done a bow, but I just didn't want it to look too cutesy wootsy pootsy. So I just did little tails. I think I'm gonna live with it over the weekend and see if I like it. Okay, next, over the summer, I shared with you guys some creative co-op shelves. And I originally had planned to use them the way you're gonna see in this picture right here. Well, no, as it turned out, I didn't have the wall space that I was looking for to do what I wanted to do. So I came up with a plan B, and I decided to break up the shelves. So you can use them sort of any way you want, depending on your wall placement, or break them apart and do what I'm gonna show you. I'm using mine very unconventionally for over the door decor shelves. I decided to hang one right there. This goes into my butler's pantry. So I have two French doors. It's a complete pass-through. So this door leads down a long walkway to another French door. So what I did was I put one shelf here, and then when we go over to the other side, you're gonna see I use two shelves. Okay, let's style it. This is so cute, I love it. We're gonna go in center stage with this wreath. Remember I said I was gonna pull these off? I'm keeping them. Okay, right here we have one long shelf, just like the other side, and then we have one short shelf. Put one here and one there. Let's decorate. All right, friends, that will wrap up my video for today. I thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you back here next week for more fall decorating. And I'm thinking we may be doing the kitchen and perhaps a bedroom for fall, qualifying the house. And so I will see you guys then. Mwah! Bye, guys.